Canadia laminate floors are designed to be easy to install. We use several different click systems with our laminate floors, so we've produced helpful videos to assist you in their application. This video will demonstrate the techniques for fitting the floor, including some very useful tips from a professional. If the floor you are fitting uses the drop click system, then this video is for you. Before you begin, there are some important things you should do. Before installing the floor, refer to the installation instructions provided. Leave the flooring for 48 hours in the room you will be laying it, to let the boards acclimatise to the temperature. Do not use if the edges of the box are damaged or any of the boards are broken. Remove any old flooring or carpet and ensure surface is level and correct moisture level is achieved. This flooring is suitable for use with underfloor heating. This flooring cannot be used in bathrooms unless stated. Tools needed: hammer, spacing wedges, flooring knocking block, pull bar and mallet. We recommend 2-plex acoustic and moisture protect underlay. Roll out underlay and trim to fit. Use spacing wedges to allow room for the flooring to expand. Remove these wedges once job is complete. For the first row of planks, simply place the short edges together. Cut to fit the measured pieces of board required. Slide the long edges together. Gently tap with the edge of the mallet until the joint engages. Continue this technique with subsequent boards. We stock a wide range of colours and a variety of flooring finishes. Please call 01 461 0997 to book an appointment with one of our sales team. Our showroom is located at Unit 32 and 33 2nd Avenue, Cookstown Industrial Estate, Tala, or visit our website www.canadia.ie.